Hello, hello, hello. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. You're so tiny. Why are you so small? 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 What's up, guys? Intellitech Studios here, and today we've got a little package. So, this is a package right here, and we're just gonna cut open the package. Come on, use those claws. Okay, well apparently cats, they have sharp claws, but they're not very effective at cutting packages. Here, let me try this again. Here, just sit right there. Let me just oh, come on. Okay, well, probably gonna have to get an actual knife. This knife is not very effective, unfortunately. It is, yeah, not very effective. Alright, so we've got this box cut open, and open this up. Now this box seems a little small for what's supposed to be in here, but we will see if it's what it's supposed to be. Okay. Got some pieces. Excuse me, sir, I'm trying to open this. So this is a very interesting and fascinating vacuum that I've always wanted to do a video on because it's, ew, that's gross, because it's quite interesting, especially because it's one that was a pretty decent, important part. Excuse, sir, that's my couch, sir, it's my couch. Especially because it was a very important part of Dirt Devil history, but a lot of collectors have kind of forgotten about it. And for good reason, too. Unfortunately, this particular machine is, and I didn't realize this till after I purchased it, is not repairable. So, the battery, which I was planning on replacing, is soldered onto the main board. So there's not really a good way to repair this without a functioning soldering iron. Sir, I'm trying to do a video. I understand you want attention, but maybe later? Okay, I'm just gonna. Why is it buzzing? Okay, let's see. Move that out of the way. Okay, so we've got some stuff in here. This is stuck in here for some reason. There we go. So move the box out of the way, and let's see. We'll just put that. We'll put that right in there. Okay. There we go. Okay. So now there should be a charger in here. Okay. So we've got a Okay, so we've got a charger in here. And some dirt. This cost me $1 on eBay before shipping, which is pretty important because it doesn't work. And I didn't realize that till after I bought. Ow! Excuse me, sir. Sir! Ow! Ow! Sir! Sir! No! 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 That hurts. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Ow! Sir! Sir! Excuse me, sir. Stop it. Don't argue with me. Okay. So this a very dusty thing is the Dirt Devil Kone. Now, this machine was released in 2006, and it was part of Dirt Devil's designer series, named after some guy who's apparently a designer or something to that effect. And the idea is that this is a machine that would look really pretty as it sits in your kitchen, and it could help you clean up along whatchamacallits. And I'm sure there's a way to I'm sure there's, I think this part comes out, I think. Yes, it does. So this right here is the charging base that the Sir. So right here is the charging base. Bless you. So right here is the charging base. It's in a lovely purple color. And the idea is that there's a filter that goes on a certain way, which I'll probably have to install off camera. But it fits in here a certain way. And the idea is that in a similar vein to a lot of other sort of handheld vacs, like a Dustbuster or even like a Dyson V8, you have this little nozzle right here that's rubbery that you would then use to essentially suck up things in your kitchen and whatnot, maybe even crumbs off your couch, and it sits back inside this little dock, constantly charges, and just looks very pretty in your kitchen. And the idea is it's supposed to be beautiful yet also functional. The problem is it's not excuse me, sir. The problem is it's not repairable. So as a result, these batteries that are built into this machine are soldered in. There's no way to replace this, so there's no way for this machine to power on because the battery is completely dead. And it powers on with just a little button at the top of the handle. It's not really a handle, it's more so just a cone. In fact, that's what it's called, the Dirt Devil cone. Can you stop swatting at my arms, sir? Sir, can you stop it? Stop it. 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 Anyways, so ow, sir. So, sir, stop it. Stop it. Ow, sir. Ow. Excuse me, sir. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Okay. So anyways, I'm going to get this filter back on here. It just clips on a certain way, and at least I think I'll have to figure out. I think it clips in or twists on in some sort of fashion. So I'm going to figure out how to get this filter on, but it goes on this piece right here, and it takes filter type F17. It says to find genuine replacement parts and more at dirtdevil.com. I'll have to look and see if these filters are still available. I'm going to wager $10. You just sneezed on me. I'm going to wager $10 that these filters are no longer available, and that no parts of this machine are no longer available, and you just farted. You are super stinky. Get off me. Stay down there. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take this motor piece, and we're going to try to put this filter on, which actually I'm starting to think probably goes inside here, maybe. Move that out. What are you doing? So, there's trying to do this with one hand because my tripod is broken, and ow! I am not a jungle gym, sir. I am not a jungle. Don't sneeze at me. I am not a jungle gym. Okay, so this goes in a certain way. I'm not exactly sure how, but it fits in a certain. This video is a train wreck, but it goes in a certain way. Okay, let me figure this out. Okay, so I figured it out. So this little tab goes inside that little slot right there, just like that. Lines up just like that. Now the filter's in. So this part is what you would pull off. Rika, you just knocked over the Diet Pepsi. So now you're going to take this piece, and it twists on until it clicks in, just like that. So the idea is that you would turn this on, and then you could and suck up some stuff, turn it off, and then drop it right into the charging base, where it fits in a certain orientation. So there's a little set of pins back here that line up right back here, and then it looks pretty on your kitchen counter. Now, I would put this on my kitchen counter, but nothing in my kitchen is purple, so this wouldn't match just about anything. But this battery is bad, so I can't demonstrate this. But I'm not going to bother returning this because, well, it was only $1, so with shipping it was $13. So I figured, hey, even though it doesn't work, and even though I don't have a soldering iron right now, so I can't exactly fix this, it is possible to fix these, because if the batteries go bad, they are just standard sets of cells, and you can still find battery replacements all over eBay. I would be skeptical of the quality of them, but they definitely should work as long as you have a soldering iron and you're semi-competent with electricity. You definitely don't want to be a novice and be wiring up new batteries with solder, because you could theoretically set your house on fire. But if you're willing to do that, then the Kone will grant you the lovely ability to very poorly clean anything, because a lot of the tests that exists from back in the day, from when this machine was commercially relevant, showed that this machine cleaned terribly, even as a basic dustbuster. Now, of course, I can't confirm nor deny that's legitimacy, because this machine doesn't work. But maybe, if you had one of these back in the day, you can chime in the comments below with your thoughts on this particular machine, as this potato attempts to eat my foot. So, with the Dirt Devil Kone, this machine is a fascinating piece of Dirt Devil's history, and I would love to get my hands on a functional one for review someday. But in the meantime, we've got this broken one, and hopefully one of these days, if I can find a semi-affordable soldering iron, then hopefully I can install a new battery in this and give it the proper Intellitech Studios review treatment, because this thing looks very awkward, uncomfortable, and its purple color very much likens it to a certain other type of electronic device that is not related to cleaning. But anyways, this is Intellitech Studios signing out with a super quick overview of the Dirt Devil Kone. There really isn't much else to say about it. You've got a basic power supply right there that plugs in to the back. Oh no, it doesn't plug in, it's soldered into this. And you can actually wire it around the bottom to keep the excess cord out of the way. So it's designed by Karen Rashid, 2006. And the effective warranty date is 3 años. Not años, años. Two very different things. And the effective warranty date is December 2007. So I don't see a manufacturing date on here, but I assume this was made in December 2007, or at least it's close enough to that date. So yeah, this thing is a number of years old, but yeah. Dirt Devil Kone. This video is very haphazard. I fully expected to have like a whole spiel on this thing, but I don't know. That's that. It looks cool, but it doesn't work, so there's not much else to say about it. Of course, in traditional Dirt Devil fashion, it filtered horribly with just the single filter. And yeah, so I wish they'd bring these back, because they're definitely pretty cool. I'd love to see an updated version of this with maybe a more powerful motor, maybe a better quality HEPA filter, maybe some more fun colors. I'd love to see this come back, hopefully with a user swappable battery. And because if they made a version of this today with a more powerful motor, better quality filtration, and a user swappable battery, and it was like if it was like $60 or something like that, I'd happily buy it. But in the meantime, we've just got this lovely little relic and a forgotten piece of vacuum history that most people choose to not remember, and that's pretty much that. So if you have any memories with this, by all means drop them in the comments below. And this very fascinating little piece of history will probably just end up sitting on a shelf indefinitely, as I don't really have the means to fix this at the moment, even though I possess the technical skill to do it. So anyways, this is Intellitech Studios signing out with my unboxing basic overview rant of the Dirt Devil Kone, a standalone dustbuster type machine that was designed for, well, to sit in your kitchen and look pretty. And, excuse me, sir. These are my good socks. Oh. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you all have a good one. Peace.